Howdo, and welcome to the Jurgen Zoller Cup. This is a brand new charity guitar build-off competition, all in memory of our good friend Jurgen Zoller, who passed away quite recently. Following involvement with the Great Guitar Build-Off, Jurgen joined the Guitar Builders Collective and very quickly became a brilliant member of the community, commenting and being positive about everyone and every build that he could see. Unfortunately, passing away recently left a really large hole in our group, and we all felt we wanted to do something in memoriam. So we came up with this build along series. So this is going to happen every year, with the final decisions happening in April on Jurgen's birthday. All the details to join in with this, and we please do join in. Links in the description for the Guitar Builders Collective website and Instagram page, where you can pick up a lot more details about what's going on and how you can join in. It's really simple. All you need to do is donate some money to the Leukaemia charity, or buy a t-shirt, do something supportive in that way. There are hashtags the way you can link things in. Please get involved and build something fantastic. Each year there's going to be a theme. This year we're coming full circle from where Jurgen joined us with the Use What You've Got challenge. So we're going to do the same thing again. Either scrap bits of wood that you already have in your workshop, or at the most you can head to your local DIY store and grab wood from there. None of your fancy AAA grade maple quilted stuff. It's all going to be scrap wood challenge kind of deal. Yes, obviously you can buy all of your pickups and bridges and things like that. So what am I going to do this year? Well, you don't get much more DIY store than plywood, and this is exactly what I'm going to use. For the entire guitar, we're going to have a plywood body, we're going to have a plywood neck. Yes, I'm convinced it's going to work, but the body I'm going to do a little bit differently. If you've seen my channel before, you know I'm a massive fan of chisels and hand tools, and to get stuck in. We've done full hand tool only builds before. This year I thought I'd go a little bit different. I have access to a fantastic laser machine, the Falcon Creality 2. 22 watt laser that can cut out almost anything. So I've been playing around with some templates. So these are the kind of things that I've been doing. This started off as a solid 3mm thick piece of plywood, and look how floppy that is. That's amazing, isn't it? It's got a little bit of twist that way. It doesn't fold that way, but it does fold that way. Some of these with different patterns have different amounts of twist available to them. Some only bend a little bit, not quite as far. Some have just a different pattern to them. Some, like this, bend in almost every direction. That's a really particularly weird one. And there's loads of different types. They're all over the place, and they've got different levels to them, and all really strange. Can we make a guitar body out of this stuff? So this is what I'm talking about. This little area here is the width of the laser pad. These are all the different types of flexi wood patterns, and then I've just made multiples of the same guitar so we can mess about. So when we zoom in on this one, you can see we're going to cut a wall out of this first one. So with ease of use, we can then have, there we go. So I'm thinking we can make a stack of these, literally a stack of them, to make the walls of a guitar. Then make the flexible wood on the top and the bottom with a plywood through neck, so that the flexible creates a bit of a curve on the top and on the bottom. Do you think that's going to work? Might do, might not do. But hey, that's part of the excitement and the challenge, isn't it? So make sure you click subscribe and watch for this channel. Make sure you watch the Guitar Builders Collective YouTube channel as well. Check out all the links in the descriptions. Get involved in this. It's going to be fantastic. A real community thing. Yes, there might be a few winners out of this selected on a Builders Votes 1, 2, 3 system, but you can get invested and really have some fun with some of this. So let's see what's going to happen. Plywood, laser machine, guitar. Is that a combinable trio? We'll find out soon enough. Until then, take care. I'll see you soon. God bless.